Ernie and Sonia Kelly, this is a very difficult case. It's a straightforward one in some respects in law. Ernie, effectively, you lent Kelly the better part of £7,000. You extended her finance. You said, I will pay off this debt for you. You pay me back £150 per month. Now, ordinarily, without anything in writing, your case would be over. It would be the end of the matter, because there would be no enforceable contract between the two of you. There would be no intention to create legal relations. That's what happens between families. That's especially important where there's anything which looks or smells like finance. And that really could have been the end of the case. But for Kelly's admission and honesty in these proceedings has created, as far as her case is concerned, a problem. Because she carried on making repayments and because of the representations she's made to you throughout the time of this agreement, it seems to me that on any view, she did accept that she owed you £150 per month. What's more, she carried on making those repayments in circumstances where they were difficult and where I believe you would not have lent her that money but for the promise that she would return it. In the narrowest circumstances, in this case, you are able to persuade me that there is an enforceable agreement because of the various discussions and your behaviour in these proceedings. I do believe you would not have lent this money but for the clear accepted promise that these instalments would be repaid. Most of the time, applications like this are dismissed by the court, but in this instance, it does seem to me, by the narrowest margin, that it is enforceable. Now, the question is how much. The reality is the car has no value. That's accepted between the parties. You've paid back £1,150. That leaves in excess of £5,850 owing. You can't get that full amount. There can be a court award. What happens after that, I don't get involved with. But the reality is that if you have an enforceable agreement which you entered into, regardless of the circumstances here, it has to be paid, and the court has to rule not with its heart but with its head. And so this court does award you £5,000. Now, that's the money. It doesn't repair a relationship. And the most important thing in this case, and certainly for the extraordinary memory of your late son and your late partner, is to ensure that this family, this quality family, stays together. That's the best thing you can do for Lee's memory, seems to me. Money is money. Blood is infinitely more important. So I can't force you to do it, but I'm going to ask you, Sonia, because that's where it starts, it seems to me, and you, Kelly. Would you be prepared at the very least to shake hands in court today?
Yes.
Can I ask you to do that, Sonia? If you wouldn't mind. I wish you all the best of luck. The award of this court, £5,000.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
If you enjoyed that video, then I strongly suggest clicking here for more highlights. For those of you who haven't subscribed yet, and why not, so that you never miss out, subscribe. Clicking down there, that's an order.